So, we back, man. Yeah. We back, man. We got some crack going on. Yeah, you been asking for the crack. Hey, nigga, look. Mbat même envie de faire vidéo, non, but suffit ça lui-même. They dit, oh, you know what? Li lan mood pour filmer vidéo. So I'm like, alright, let's do it then.
Alright, so we're here to try new drinks. Let's see, you know.
Gotta show them where we at. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate you.
It's cold. Thank you. Alright. What you wanna make?
I don't know. Make whatever you want. I don't care. I don't like côté game music. Let my filmmakers.
What, copyright?
Yes.
You can also mute it and then do a voiceover.
Yeah.
Ooh, whipped cream. Yes.
No. I don't know. The fuck, yo.
Alright, so which one you getting out of these two? Exactly. You
Yeah,
just
nah.
want just whatever. Why is it big like that?
They ain't besoin de manger, man.
I'm trying. You want?
Leave it all. What's that, man? What's that?
It's a salad.
Mets-le là, baby. Mets-le là,
It's
please.
a chicken salad
Alright, mets-le là.
from 88 Deli.
Okay, yeah.
You never saw that TikTok?
Hell no. I don't be on TikTok like that. You know that, bro. I need to change my fucking names.
This is a good dessert.
What is it?
A good snack. Caramel. I mean apple.
I'm good.
It's apple.
I'm good off of it, bro.
It's apple.
I'm good, bro.
I want it.
Okay.
It's apple.
Alright. But I need something to eat. I don't know, like...
You wanna order from the thing? The little or oh, that look good. It look good. You want a bag?
Yeah,
Yes.
please. Let's go. That's why I need a line of lanes.
I fuck with it. Try it.
Some good number for that.
What's that, mango smoothie?
Mango smoothie trash.
It's too sweet
I know, it's so sweet. This is good.
and too sour.
Why the fuck that shit is too sour and too sweet at the same time?
Why you always pick the bad ones? I think this
I
is
don't
my
know,
second good one. I told you, remember I was gonna pick this one for you and I had another one for me, like watermelon,
Yeah.
pineapple, and coconut. You said no. And I bet it probably was better than this one. Alright, let's rate it. I give this 8 out of 10. This one's not bad.
All I
7
know my
out of
drink
10.
is fucking trash. That's all I know.
If you like
Never
something that's
again.
really sweet, 9 out of 10. Alright, rate both of them.
This is my shit. This one is better. This one is too sweet.
Yeah, but what number you give it?
I mean, if someone like, if you like sweet stuff, that's your shit. You will probably give that shit a 10, but me, I don't like sweet stuff.
Okay, so what are you giving it?
For me, it's a 3.
Alright, what
For
about
real.
this one, the pina colada?
10.
No.
Because I like
Which
it.
means I'm the best drink picker.
Hell nah. You just lucky, nigga.
And it's not that sweet.
No. You just lucky.
You want that one? You
Sorry.
don't take this one?
No, it's good.
Alright.
When you supposé ba moun goûter. Lo vina chou ba moun goûter.
Yes,
Ou te supposé ka goûter.
That'll be good.
Lo fin goûter
But
sou
then-
remel. I mean, ou pa Anpil, non? On ti le Samson.
Yeah, but the thing is they have to mix a lot of stuff together and then they have to use a blender. So if they make you try each one, they will have to blend it.
You pa ka fin blender epi yo save li. Like save pou moun
No,
ka
that
goûter.
shit won't be good after a while.
Fuck. Yeah,
Especially a
you're right.
smoothie, you have to use ice. So no, it won't be good.
You're right.
A woman's always right. That's why Holly is right.
Fuck no.
Yerky.
Scott Jackson, that nigga gets you, man. I ain't coming for you, bro. That nigga ain't playing no games.
I know
bro.
everybody in the comments like, duh. You see how when it was Holly and DDG, some people were defending this one, some people was defending the other side. This one, everybody gonna be like, duh, of course you did.
Cause Yerky like been going to jail and shit. Back in for. I see his ass, man. I'm telling you, that nigga like, it's great.
That shit nice and creamy, y'all.
Yo, if you kote ki gen music, man, I told you, like, I'm telling you, I don't like that shit. Cause music you get copyright. You can't post videos on ken kote. They gonna take that shit down. If you do a voiceover, yeah. But other than that, that shit gonna be trapped.
Alright, so that's it for our drinks. When we get to the house, we'll rate our snacks because we have 2 snacks. We'll show you guys. Bye.
Hold on.
Just for
You know damn well.
What?
Fuck Wawa avec fucking Drake, yo. You know that.
Or in beach police, no trespassing.
Fuck 12, man.
How you gonna trespass in a public place?
No, hold on. That's not public.
This is
No. That's a private page.
private but public too.
No. You can't trespass too. You trespass too. So now I'm talking about like shit I know.
Any place can ban you.
Not any place. Hell nah. Depuis son bail côté public et bail gouvernemental, il va trespass or nothing because it's public. You can film everything, but si you dis pas filmer under Wawa, you dis me filmer formally, right? Et puis me continue filmer, laisse I'm trespass because you supposed to do ça avant. But si you pas do ça, man, et puis les police pour, c'est comme si police la vient do ça lui-même. Si pas aller pour nous. Et puis pour trespass tout, soit you do ça, et puis forward sin. Before you sin on there. Yeah. But other than that, bro, you goody. Barata non le pour qu'il y ait caméra, pour dire une caméra. Barata non.
I will next year.
Next year.
I'm gonna buy the Canon GX7.
Man, please. Your ass be lying, man.
That shit a lot of money. I might be lying. I'm cheap.
Ou ça, mais ça pas bon. Ou ça pas bon. Laissez pour
This
faire
shit needs sugar.
laissez pour faire investissement dans tête ou dit ça trop expensive. But quand vous trash that shit, that shit is not, man, it's good. No, man.
You said when I have to trash it?
No. Like, les ou besoin, te ou dit caméra, ou dit les trop l'argent.
I'm gonna buy it.
No, I know. But the way you said it's like, Oh, that's too. Non, men, ou bezwen plis crack. La piti li ki ni
Look,
pot tete,
everybody,
men.
like this shit was Swiss expensive. That shit was supposed to be $1. You ready to roll?
Yeah, hold on, man. Tip de moun ki yon jan piki nan bagay pou drink, ko sa mzou, ko mba ka bwe bagay ki kan pil sik, mba remen sa men. Takou, machon boisson la ki lan, mvin nan wawa, ko nan wawa, right? Nan wawa, mwen avek menajmen, li dim pou nou pran pina colada, but m konen pina colada telman sweet sometimes. I'm like, mba pran, epi mpran ou mango. That shit too sweet, man. So m'oblige pa ka fin bwe sa. Epi m fè lal de yon pina colada an dam mwen. You feel me? Cause mba me ba ki tro sukre, man. So, si yon moun ap invite m soti, please. Le ma po de dim sa ki yon suk, ki yon pil suk yo pou mba pre, cause mba vel. Si pa so, pa chon drink pou game si. Zave patnem yo le a pou foun mba, fò m gade menu an bien, e fò m analize pou mwen konbe suk ki la den, cause mba ame suk top. I mean, mba se son bon ba li etou, men lò moun pa ame suk, men. Like, sou te ka redwi sou suk wap manje, ou bien wap bwe men, li tapitil, wè samzou. Cause sa li ba anpil maladi, men, so. Mek sou le nap bon bagay li ba anpil suk la den, e nou kontrole suk nap bwe ou tout, men. Alright. So, yeah, man. Vin passe yon bon nuit la, man. E vin di, you know what? Badak menm sou fè vlog, badak menm sou rali kamera an, you know. Menajmen li vin la rala, de sou travay, tou fatige, di, you know what? Lan vi vlog a so. I'm like, alright, let's do it then. Bab mwen wou menm fèt menm, but, you know, it is what it is. I don't give a fuck at this point. Nou just vin nou wawal, vin dey drink. Fè moun. Yeah, man. Espere nou passe yon bon nuit. Cause mwen mba lantre la ka, mwen la mbal fè mè kamera. Cause mwen kon video pou medite tout. Mwen bas map fin edite l. And apre sa, yeah, man, pou m kal dormi. Cause mwen gen kote pou mali dem matin gambo, mwen gen pou m soti. Mwen gen business pou mal regle. E lem gen business pou mal regle, mwen bi jal regle. Pa ganyen ki pi important ke sa. Money talk. Alright. Chache met l'ajan nan pochou. Respekte moun ki respekte osyon, moun pa fok avel tout, so. Yeah, and yeah, men. Remen bon di, remen tèt ou men, de cause de pou remen tèt ou, respect pou tèt ou, gampil moun baga ou pap fè. Tèt ou fè. E moun pap ka redikilizo tout nan fò fè grimas. So yeah, konse sa mge pou nou, men. Alright, mwen men anpil love pou nou. Na we, alright.
Alright, we got some apple and caramel dip from Wawa. Listen to this. Oh, I thought it was gonna be cooler. Ready? Oops.
What's that?
Caramel.
Hold on. This one better?
Alright, ready? Caramel.
Be careful, baby.
Alright. I'm going to take an apple. Green apple. Take an apple. Can you sit down? Alright, we're going to dip it. I don't like a lot of caramel, so I won't put too much because I don't want mine too sweet. Just how it looks. Let me see. Bro, you barely dip it in there. See, mine's both sides. Dip it. Alright, anyways. This is mine.
That shit on
Look,
focus.
yours on one side, bro.
Yeah.
Anyway. Hold up. Dip it one more time.
I dip like a fucking girl. My hands, you know what I'm saying? And like a fucking...
I don't know.
I don't know the food about this shit.
The apple is very sour.
That's the best part.
Hmm?
The best part of it.
It's the best part. The apple?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try this. Okay. I rather a caramel apple where they have a whole apple and they have, you know, the caramel around it. That tastes really good. Like, it tastes way better. This one and dipping it, I don't know. It doesn't give the same taste. Maybe I need more caramel.
Maybe.
Let's try this with more caramel.
Bro.
Alright, see? Let's see.
No.
No. I don't really like this. I'll give this 2 out of 10. It's not my cup of tea.
I don't like no sweet.
Okay, so we have another snack we trying. We have the spicy chipotle chicken wrap from Wawa. So we're going to heat it up. We'll be back. Alright, we're back. This is mine. I don't know if you guys can see it. Alright.
Hot as fuck, right? That shit hot.
Looks like it have that, whatever that is. Chicken. What is that? Lettuce.
Yeah. That shit
That's
hot.
a big piece of lettuce. Shit dripping.
It's really hot, alright?
But it's dripping.
Okay. Let that shit drip, Small bite. I told you that shit hot. That means good. Let that shit sit for a second. That shit hot, bro. That shit too hot.
Okay.
Told you. That shit good.
I fuck with it.
Fuck with it too.
I picked it. I picked it.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you that.
So this is what it looks like. Even though he not showing y'all his, he just want to eat.
I'm hungry.
All the meat fell out. Look. Basically chicken, lettuce, with a wrap, and I think they use some type of island wrench. No. What is it called? And they use chipotle sauce.
Yeah. I went to Chipotle today, right? I took the food. I was like, y'all got any sauce? Like Chipotle sauce for me? Y'all looking at me crazy and shit. Like I don't know what I'm talking about. How the fuck is Chipotle? You ain't got no Chipotle sauce.
You can't have chipotle sauce.
What?
If you want chipotle sauce, go to Chick-fil-A.
How the fuck?
Because
Yeah.
I don't know. I feel like somebody made the sauce and called it a Chipotle sauce. Or it's called Chipotle sauce because something in it is called Chipotle. Not
You gotta
because
sue
of
them
Chipotle.
motherfucker, man. Sue them motherfucker.
I'm going to take a bite of the lettuce. It's big. The bite is not happening. I tried. But I'll eat this piece of lettuce and chicken. Lettuce and chicken. This is good. So it's a good 9 out of 10. It's a little bit spicy.
I like it. Chicken good. The chipotle, the spicy. I like how spicy this shit is. Not too much. Not too much spice, but you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna give that shit a. I don't know what kind of wrap they use. I don't know what is it.
The wrap?
Yeah, I don't know what is it.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure either. So I'm gonna give that shit an 8.
8
Yeah.
out of 10? That's valid. You guys should go to Wawa and get it. It's a good snack. It's really good. But just know it gets messy.
Really?
Alright, look at my wrap. It's so messy. Lately, we've been going to Wawa to explore other drinks to see what we like, and to explore their like little snacks, like the little sandwiches, to see what we like. And I think tonight's our first night where we had a win-win. A win with the drink and win with the food.
For real. But fuck the mango smoothie.
Yeah.
It's good, but it's not for me. I don't like it. Cause it's still sweet.
And sour.
Yeah. I can't deal with the sour shit. But
My last bite. You guys want some? This is my plate.